Hey everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to showcase external websites inside your own website. So I'm gonna click on this button right here, then click on overlays, select fixed, then switch from hover to click, and now type in 10. Go to insert and look up for embed, drag it inside, center it, let's make it wider. And now go to the website you want to copy. So I will select my website, then press the URL inside, add a radius of 16 pixels, go to tablet, make it taller maybe, something like this, and on mobile I'm gonna make it less wide. And now I'm gonna click on publish, then let's click on this link, and as you can see, when I click on this button I have a website. Now I can do whatever I want on this website. For example, I can click on buttons, I can navigate as well, so I can do basically whatever you can do on a website. So yeah, that is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time.